The world of birds is a diverse world full of oddities and wonders. Birds may fly in the sky or may live among us on the surface of the earth or near water. Birds of different species, colors and sizes are all made by God Almighty. Among these birds is the parrot, which is one of the most amazing and strange birds that exist in the world. It is a bird known for its beauty and attractiveness. The parrot is one of the very beloved birds of man. Therefore, many people raise it at home. There are many strange facts about the parrot bird that many people may not know about, most of which we will learn about in this video. If you are a bird lover, especially parrots, click like for the video and subscribe to the channel to enjoy with us. Parrot intelligence above hostility. The parrot is a very intelligent bird and has the ultimate ability to learn. It is considered in the third rank for animals close to humans after cats and dogs. The owner of the aggressor can teach him peace by hand, eat with a spoon, or hold his food fist like a child. The most important characteristics of a parrot. The parrot is distinguished from other birds by its bright colors and an attractive and wonderful view. Its colors range from green, blue, yellow and red. Some types of parrot are distinguished by their ability to imitate sounds, where you repeat short clips of sounds without understanding the meaning of these words. The parrot is very intelligent. Researchers have discovered that the parrot's intelligence is equivalent to that of 5-year-olds. Most of the parrots that exist in the world are pet birds and live in cages in homes, but despite that they have a sharp temper. When they are aroused they may bite brutally, and they sympathize with the individuals who care for them and provide them with food. It is characterized by having a strong beak with which it can break hard walnut shells, and it uses its strong holding toes like human hands. Parrots feed on fruits and vegetables and may cause heavy losses to rice fields if they attack them in flocks. The parrot feeds on coconut fruits, flower nectar, and pollen, and some types of parrots feed on meat, such as the New Zealand parrot and Kia, and it may attack sheep and sheep. One of the most famous types of parrots is Peter's cockatoo, who lives in cages with most amateurs. It is distinguished by its long feathered crest above the head, and its bright color. This crest rises and falls according to the bird's psychological state, and this appears clearly when angry. A parrot can taste food from the upper end of its beak, although its taste glands are located in its throat. The weight of some parrots is equivalent to the weight of a cat. The largest recorded bird is approximately 100 centimeters long. From the top of its beak to the last feather in its tail, its weight may reach about 5 kilograms. The length of the shortest parrots is about 10 centimeters. The yellow and blue macaw is one of the largest parrots in length, and these are amazing facts about the parrot. Parrot feathers contain anti-inflammatory substances, which are a form of self-defense against infections and diseases caused by bacteria. These substances are responsible for the variety of colors and beauty of parrot feathers. Parrots are famous for their great love of talking and chattering, and the bird buck holds a record in the Guinness Book of Records, as its vocabulary contains about 1728 words. Parrots, in general, are non-migratory birds, and they build their nests in tree holes. Parrots are generally considered perennial birds, where a parrot can live until it reaches approximately 50 years old. One of the most beautiful parrots is the Amazon parrot, which is characterized by its beautiful colors. Mako parrots are among the largest types of parrots in size at all. Some of their types can be taught some simple movements and words that you repeat. There are types of parrots whose prices reach about $1,500, and there are some types that obtain official papers, a birth certificate, and others, and among these types is a macaw parrot. The gray parrot is one of the most parrot species capable of repeating sounds, and it is called the lovebird, since the male and female of this species treat each other very faithfully, and one of them withers or may die if he loses his mate. Hanging upside down. Hanging is a sign of the bird's happiness, but not all parrots do this, but many of them seem to enjoy this feeling, so there is no need to worry. Parrots may cause a person to become infected with staphylococcus, a disease that occurs due to inhalation of dust contaminated with a virus found inside cages in which parrots live when they are not clean. A third of parrots are at risk of extinction. This is due to the elimination of their habitats or because hunters have always hunted them for the purpose of selling and making a profit. How do parrots reproduce? The parrot reproduces through mating between a male and a female, and this is done through courtship and rapprochement between them, and when mating takes place, eggs are laid in the parrot's nest. Usually 3 to 4 eggs are laid in each nest, and the incubation period for eggs takes about 18 to 30 days. When the eggs hatch, young parrots emerge from them, and it takes about 3 to 4 weeks for them to grow until they reach the weaning stage. Parrots are very loyal birds, as the spouses do not separate from each other for life, and neither of them marries again without his partner. The male and female parrot often settle each other's feathers using their beaks in order to deepen the bonds of intimacy between them. Parrots were also considered sacred. The Mush people of ancient Peru worshipped birds and often depicted parrots in their art. Parrots are popular in Buddhist scriptures and there is much writing about them. As you can see from the video, parrots are very intelligent creatures and they can learn to imitate human speech. This means that you will always have someone to talk to, even when you feel lonely. There are periods that you may neglect, although it will not smell as strong as cats or dogs. Parrots are very social animals and love attention. If you like the content and want to subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when a video is uploaded, do the bell button.